So question, my today's topic is what are commercial banks? So first of all, listen carefully. Any financial institution that deals with money or accepting deposit and advancing loan can be called as commercial banks. So any financial institutions that accepts public deposit and advances loan with profit motive is called commercial banks. So my definition contains main three words. First, advances loan. That means bank gives loan to common people or any other person. Second one, accepting deposit. Accepting deposits कि आपके पैसे को अपने पास जमा कर ले. और third one is motive should be for profit. So any financial institution that operates these three main functions can be called as commercial bank. So right now there are many banks you can see in your neighborhood like Axis Bank, Punjab National Bank. These all are commercial banks because their main aim is to make profit. So look the definition now. Commercial banks are financial institutions which accepts deposits from public for the purpose of lending and investment. So lending and investment. In fact, banks are financial intermediaries between lenders and borrowers. So this is commercial banks. So what are now the main function of commercial banks? So the functions of commercial bank, the first is accepting deposit. So first commercial function of commercial bank is accepting deposits. So it accepts all your deposit. Up suppose if you go to a bank, then suppose you are going to first time to deposit your money into the bank. So what would a bank do with you? So first of all, you will open a bank account in branch, then you will deposit your money. So for accepting deposit, bank opens some accounts. For example, saving account. This account can be opened by each and every person. Bank accept in this amount even smaller amount and also give some loan. No, sorry, interest on your deposit. Second one is current account. This account is only for business or traders, businessmen and traders. In this account, bank do not give any interest, but in fact it charge some annual fee to from its customers. Second one is RD account, recurring deposit. In this, a certain amount you have to pay, submit in your bank account for a period of that you have already decided. In this, you cannot withdraw your money from the bank until you fix the time. Suppose, for example, you have a bank account for 1,000 per month for 3 years. So each and every month you have to deposit 1,000 in your bank, and for 3 years you have to repeat the same process, and after 3 years you will be given all your money with interest, and you cannot withdraw in between. If you withdraw in between, you will lose all your interest, and you can also have some penalty for that. And the last one is fixed deposit or time deposit. Time deposit or FD. This FD, as you know, most people use to this account. This is, as you know, or this on this account, bank will give a highest interest. So these are the four methods by which a commercial bank accepts deposits from its customers. Now बैंक के पास पैसा आ गया, अब बैंक क्या करे इस पैसे का? So bank give loan to others. तो second is advancing loan to others. अब बैंक जब आप उस पैसे को दूसरों को लोन देगा, लोन किस फॉर्म में दे सकता है? तो लोन देगा बैंक आपके पास लोन एंड एडवांसेस, लोन एंड एडवांसेस। तो बैंक एक अपने ग्राहकों को डायरेक्ट एडवांस के फॉर्म में लोन दे देगा। सेकंड आपके पास ओवरड्राफ्ट, ओडी बना देगा अपने कस्टमर्स की, तो उसके बिहार पे लोन दे देता है। थर्ड है आपके पास डिस्काउंटिंग बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज, डिस्काउंटिंग बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज। तो ये अकाउंट्स की टर्म है, आप जो बच्चे अकाउंट्स के हैं वो तो जानते होंगे, फिर भी मैं बता देता हूं कि इसमें क्या होता है। बैंक आपसे एक सर्टेन टाइम लिमिट से पहले अगर आप पैसा चाहते हैं तो बैंक आपको दे देगा वो, आप लेकिन कुछ उसमें वो डिस्काउंट काट कर देता है। तो दैट इज अ डिस्काउंटिंग बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज, एक प्रकार का लोन होता है और सर्टेन टाइम लिमिट पूरा होने पर बैंक उस पूरे पैसे को ले लेता है। These are the some advancing loan. And now secondary function is money creation. This is again a most important concept for money creation, and money creation is a different topic that need more time to explain. So before this, I am today I'm not explaining this money creation.